Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos. Today's video is a DIY. I love me some beauty and some fashion, but I love getting creative in other ways like DIY home decor or event planning. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I created and put together my cousin's dessert table for her gender reveal gathering. We did host the entire gender reveal, but the dessert table was the main decoration, so I got really into it. And believe it or not, a lot of the things that I got, I found at Walmart, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, even in my kitchen. I already had a lot of the things that I wanted to use for that day, and everything that we did was super easy and quick, and it's budget friendly. We do also have a vlog channel where I show you more behind the scenes of that day. So I'm gonna link that video down below, and it's also gonna be up here so you can check it out. If you enjoy videos like this, why not subscribe? It's totally free and it's easy. It's the red button down below. You can also click the notification bell if you wanna get a message anytime I upload a new video. And with all of that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. What I did first the night before was lay out all the dishes that I had so I can see what I was working with and see how exactly I wanted to display everything. Here in this clip, I show you where I got all the different things that are on the table. This really helped. I ended up taking a photo of this and used it as my blueprint for that day, so it was a lot quicker to set up. For the desserts, we kept it super easy. So I had some white chocolate already at home, and so did one of my other cousins that was helping me. So we got some of the golden Oreos and we drizzled them with white chocolate. The overall theme of the gender reveal was to stick to neutral colors, and the colors that we used were like beige colors, white, gold, and a little bit of gray. Same with the cupcakes, we kept those really easy, and my cousin just did the ones from the box, the funfetti. She makes the cupcakes for like every birthday party or event that we have, and they always come out really good and they're easy to make, so we thought why not just do them this way as well for the gender reveal. To spice up the cupcakes, we added some sprinkles on top of them, and that way it went with the theme as well. I got some gold edible stars on Amazon, and then I also had some white pearls already from Walmart. Another easy way to add a dessert to your dessert table is to already buy them pre-made. So we bought some pre-made rice pudding or arroz con leche, and we bought some little clear shot glasses, and we just poured some in there, and it looked like it was homemade arroz con leche, but in reality we just bought it and we just put it in the cups and added little mini spoons, and it also tasted homemade, so it all kind of came together. We decided to add some marshmallows on a stick into these jars that I got from Walmart, and these were mainly decoration. Not a lot of people ate the marshmallows, especially because it was hot out, but marshmallows are super inexpensive and the skewer sticks are as well, and so were these jars, so why not just add them in. Now for setting up the dessert table. So I ended up using this backdrop stand, which already comes in handy for my videos and I already had. But what I ended up doing instead of using a backdrop was I used some sheer curtains that I already had at home. If you watch my apartment tour, they're the same ones I had in the bedroom and in our living room. And I ended up getting two different tablecloths on Amazon. I got a rectangle one, and then I also got a circle one. I used these for layering and to add a little bit more detail. Please make sure you iron these or steam them before you put them. I was running really low on time, so I didn't have time to steam them, but it was a family party. It was fine. But if you are planning on doing this for a much more formal event, make sure to steam and iron these and the curtains prior to putting them on. For a touch of floral and greenery, we added baby's breath. All we did was put them in a bunch and then we trimmed them down. That way they wouldn't be too long in the vase. The best part about this was I already had the two tall vases. I actually have an entire box of them. This wooden crate right here is from Walmart, and I think it was about $6 or $7. The rest of the bowls and plates that I put on here are from Home Goods. I already had the two round ones, but the square ones and the little bowls, I got them recently from Home Goods. The smaller vases on the star bowls are from Dollar Tree. The little scoops that I'm putting in the bowls are from Amazon. And the gold candles that I'm gonna put on the table are from Dollar Tree. And that is how I created my cousin's dessert table for her gender reveal party. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to check the description box down below. I'm gonna have links and everything for the stuff that I bought. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.